Hello and welcome to Advanced To-Do List Excel template. This template will help you to track your to-do list or your companion's to-do list. Also lets you analyze the task that you entered into database section. Start with writing the responsibles. This could be either you or it could be multiple people as well. Let's enter a new task. Let's enter a new responsible and then use it in the database. You can choose the responsibles, priority and statuses from the drop-down list as well. Once you choose the status, the color in this section will be colored according to status. Once you also choose the priority, the numbers in this section will also change according to priority and status, reflecting the total and also subtotal for each priority and status. The days left section is formulated. Once you enter the due date, it is going to display the days left automatically. Once you're done entering to-do tasks, now you can check your results on dashboard. You can either display all data or you could have a specific due date filter. You can check your tasks under each status and priority. And you could also see the total of it. This section is formulated and do not need any input. If we did it, all data will be able to see everything in here. If you would like to have a specific date filter, all you have to do is select the relevant month and the year from the drop-down list. The charts also reflect to the chosen filter in here. You could see responsibles breakdown all data, status breakdown all data, priority breakdown, and also to do versus done data in this section. The chart titles also reflect to the filters as well. I hope this video was informative enough. Thanks for watching.